Hello everyone, so this is Rashmi from MDS Public School from 12th standard here to represent the model on the topic respiratory system. So as we know, what do you mean by the word respiratory word? It means exchange of the gases. Exchange of the gases means when we inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale means we inhale the oxygen and we exhale the CO2 outside the body. But how do this process goes on inside our body? When we inhale the O2 which comes in our body, what happens after entering into the body? So this I'm going to show you by this model. So first of all, we should know the structure of this. Our external nostrils are there. After that, there is the nasal cavity, then pharynx, then larynx. After larynx, the respiratory system starts. This is the trachea, just after the larynx, and the trachea is the hollow-like cylindrical structure in which the rings of cartilages are present. It is not plain, it is having some ring-like structure. So why this ring-like structure is there? It is due to the for preventing the collapsing of trachea. It is must, it is a necessary. After that, this trachea will go into the two parts. It will be divided into the two subparts, which is known as the bronchi. Now this bronchi will enter into the lungs. These are the lungs, left and right side. Now these bronchi will further go inside the lungs and will be divided into the subparts. Subparts as the primary bronchi, secondary, tertiary, and these will be known as the bronchioles. This is the bronchi. Now this is divided into the subparts, which is known as the bronchioles. Now this bronchiole ends up at a common point, which is known as the alveoli. Now what is alveoli? This alveoli is a air-like structure, bag-like structure. You can see in this diagram, this is the bag-like structure and this is the alveoli. Now first of all, what happens? The oxygen which we will inhale, it will come up to the trachea through our nostrils, then pharynx, then larynx, then it will enter into the trachea. Now this oxygen which will enter into the trachea will go through the bronchi, and after entering into the bronchi, it will come at the alveoli. Now in alveoli, what is there? This is the alveoli, and suppose this is the blood vessel. If this is the alveoli, so in down structure, here is the blood vessel. The oxygen inside the alveoli will be diffused inside the blood vessels and the CO2 will come out. So when oxygen will enter into the alveoli, its size will increase, and when CO2 will come out of this, its size will be decreased. Now it is a continuous process. You can see oxygen is entering and its size is increasing. Size increasing, here pressure increasing, volume is decreasing. But when CO2 will come out of this, CO2 will also come out through the same process. It will come through this. Now you can see it is a continuous process in which O2 is going inside and CO2 is coming out. When O2 is going inside, the size increases, and when CO2 is coming, the size decreases. Same process continues through our lifetime. It is a continuous process in which O2 and CO2 exchanges takes place. And after exchanging, the oxygen will be transported through all our body and CO2 will be released out. In this way, this respiratory system works. So thank you everybody.